If you need to change or update your subscription plan within the Vulgate AI library platform, you can easily do so from the Billing section. To access it, first navigate to Settings in the left-hand sidebar, and then select the Billing tab at the top of the Settings page. On the Billing page, you'll find a summary of your current plan and your ingest usage for the current billing period. This account is currently on the free plan, which includes a base level of features and 250 ingestion credits per month. As you can see here under ingest usage, this account has exceeded the monthly credit allowance. Let's walk through upgrading the plan. Click the Upgrade button. This takes you to the Plans page where you can review the available subscription tiers. We'll select the Standard plan for this demonstration. Click Upgrade to Standard. A confirmation window appears. Here, you can select a saved payment method from the drop-down menu or choose Plus New Payment Method to add your credit card details securely. Notice the Due Now amount. Vulgate automatically calculates any prorated charges for the remainder of the current billing cycle, factoring in any usage overages and the cost of the new plan. Once your payment method is selected or entered, click Update Plan. Your plan change takes effect immediately. Let's return to the billing page by clicking the Billing button again. You can now see the plan summary reflects the standard plan, showing the monthly price and the updated billing cycle dates. Under ingest usage, the credit limit has increased to 2,500 credits per month according to the standard plan benefits. The cost breakdown and billing cycle information are also updated accordingly.